Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Review. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro SS 1LE, a performance icon that keeps pushing the limits while still delivering that old-school muscle car charm. So buckle up as we check out everything from the aggressive exterior to the refined interior, plus what's going on under the hood and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Let's kick things off with the exterior. The 2025 Camaro SS 1LE keeps that low-slung, menacing look that turns heads everywhere it goes. Chevy didn't mess with success too much, but the front fascia has been subtly refined. Sharper lines, a slightly wider grille for better airflow, and those signature LED headlights now have a sleeker, more modern profile. The 1LE package takes things up a notch with a satin black hood, aggressive front splitter, and a rear spoiler that's not just for looks. It actually helps with downforce at speed. It sits on forged 20-inch wheels wrapped in Goodyear Eagle F1 supercar tires that scream performance from the get-go. Underneath that bold exterior, the SS1LE is packing some serious muscle. The heart of the beast is a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter LT1 V8, pushing out 455 horsepower and 455 lb-ft of torque. You can get it with a 6-speed manual for that raw, connected driving feel, or a 10-speed automatic if you're after quicker shifts and a bit more ease in daily driving. 0 to 60? We're talking about low 4-second territory, but the 1LE isn't just about straight-line speed. Thanks to the magnetic ride control suspension, Brembo brakes, electronic limited slip differential, and track-tuned chassis, it's an absolute weapon in the corners. Whether you're hitting back roads or doing laps at the track, this Camaro sticks like glue. Now let's step inside. The interior of the 2025 Camaro SS 1LE is where function meets form. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a flat-bottom steerings, wheel-bolstered Recaro seats that hold you in place during spirited driving, and aluminum accents that give it a race-inspired feel. The materials have been upgraded a bit from previous years. Soft touch surfaces in the right places, and an optional suede-wrapped steering wheel and shifter for that premium touch. You also get an 8-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a performance data recorder for track days, and a customizable digital driver display. Rear seats are still tight, but let's be honest, this car's about the driver. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Camaro SS starts around $45,000, and the 1LE package adds roughly $7,000 depending on options. So you're looking at a ballpark of $52,000 to $55,000 for a fully equipped SS 1LE. When you compare that to what you get, track-level handling, serious V8 power, and legit street presence, it's honestly a solid performance value. So should you get one? If you're looking for a car that delivers serious thrills every time you turn the key, the 2025 Camaro SS 1LE is a strong contender. It's raw, it's refined, and it's ready for anything you throw at it. That's it for today's review on Car Review. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives like this, and let me know in the comments what car you want us to cover next. Catch you in the next one.